Welcome to the fascinating world of tiny tech, nanotechnology. Today, we're going to explore how this revolutionary field is set to change everything, from the way we treat diseases to how we power our devices. But first, what exactly is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is the science of manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level, typically at scales smaller than 100 nanometers. To put that into perspective, a single nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter, about 100,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. At this tiny scale, materials can exhibit entirely new properties, opening up a universe of possibilities. The idea of nanotechnology was first sparked by physicist Richard Feynman in 1959. In his visionary talk called "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom," he imagined a future where we could arrange atoms one by one to create anything we desire. Decades later, in the 1980s, the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope allowed scientists to see and manipulate individual atoms, turning Feynman's dream into reality. So why is nanotechnology so exciting? Because it lets us engineer materials and devices with precision and control like never before, leading to breakthroughs across multiple fields. Let's dive into some of the most promising applications. One of the most impactful areas for nanotechnology is medicine. Imagine a future where cancer is treated without the harsh side effects of chemotherapy. Nanoparticles can be designed to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, sparing healthy tissue. These tiny particles can also be used in diagnostics, detecting diseases like Alzheimer's or diabetes at their earliest stages by spotting specific biomarkers in the blood. In electronics, nanotechnology is already shrinking our devices while boosting their performance. The transistors in your smartphone are now just a few nanometers wide, allowing for faster processing and longer battery life. Looking ahead, this tech could enable flexible electronics like bendable screens or even brain-computer interfaces that connect our minds directly to machines. Energy is another field ripe for transformation. Nanomaterials can make solar panels more efficient by capturing a broader spectrum of sunlight. They can also improve batteries, leading to electric cars that charge in minutes and last for hundreds of miles. Plus, nanotechnology could help us store energy more effectively, making renewable sources like wind and solar even more reliable. In materials science, nanotechnology is creating substances with extraordinary properties. Carbon nanotubes, for example, are stronger than steel but much lighter, making them perfect for everything from airplanes to sports gear. We also have self-cleaning surfaces, where nanoscale coatings repel water and dirt, keeping windows and clothes spotless without any cleaning agents. Interestingly, nanotechnology isn't just a future promise, it's already here, in products you might use every day. Some sunscreens use nanoparticles of zinc oxide or titanium dioxide for better UV protection without that chalky white residue. In textiles, nanoscale coatings make fabrics resist stains and water, keeping your clothes looking fresh longer. Even in food packaging, nanomaterials can extend shelf life by stopping bacterial growth. So while the full potential of nanotechnology is still unfolding, its impact is already touching our lives. Now that we've seen how nanotechnology is being applied, let's consider its broader impacts on society. Economically, it could spark the growth of entirely new industries, creating jobs in research, manufacturing, and more. Environmentally, nanotechnology offers solutions to some of our biggest challenges. For instance, nanoparticles can purify water, removing contaminants more effectively than traditional methods. They can also help capture carbon dioxide from the air, playing a key role in fighting climate change. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The same properties that make nanomaterials useful could pose risks if not handled properly. There's ongoing debate about the safety of nanoparticles in consumer products and concerns about privacy with nanoscale sensors. It's vital that we develop strong regulations to ensure nanotechnology is used safely and ethically. Despite its promise, nanotechnology faces some hurdles. Manufacturing at the nanoscale is still complex and costly. Scaling up production while keeping quality high is a big challenge. Plus, we need more research to understand the long-term effects of nanomaterials on our health and the environment. Looking to the future, the possibilities are mind-blowing. Scientists are working on nanorobots that could swim through our bloodstream, repairing damaged cells or delivering drugs exactly where they're needed. We might see self-assembling materials that build structures atom by atom, or quantum computers that tackle problems beyond the reach of today's tech. In conclusion, nanotechnology isn't just a buzzword. It's a transformative force that will reshape our world in ways we're only beginning to imagine. As we stand on the brink of this tiny tech revolution, one thing is clear. The future is small, but its impact will be enormous. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of nanotechnology. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on emerging technologies. Let me know in the comments what you think about nanotechnology and how you see it changing our lives. Until next time, stay curious.